Nadolig llawen. As we come to the end of the school term, I want to wish everyone a very happy Christmas. It has been a very long year. We've all had to spend more time in our homes than we would have liked to. We've had to cancel plans, but hopefully postponed for another day. And of course, very sadly, many people have lost loved ones to coronavirus. For our education staff, this has been the most challenging year I'm sure that most of you can ever remember. But I know that you've worked tremendously hard to keep our young people learning and to keep them safe. Despite these challenges, I take great encouragement from Estyn's annual report that have said that our schools have, as always, risen to the challenge. Estyn found an even greater focus on children's well-being and resilience, better digital learning, and improved communication between schools and families. These can only be good things. If you work in education or are studying here in Wales over the holidays, it's really important that you take time to recharge your batteries and to stay in touch with family and friends. This Christmas, you may not be able to see your closest and nearest and dearest in person, but the rollout of the vaccine gives us hope that someday soon this will change and we can be together once again. I strongly believe that, despite the difficulties that we have faced this year, our education system will come out on the other side even stronger than before. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.